Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed in and online. This ensures changes saved to your account. Once ready, open the browser or search app you normally use. Next, tap the profile or menu icon, then choose Settings. This is where Safe Search lives. You're not configuring everything yet. Instead, go straight to Search or Privacy Settings to find the Safe Search control. Do this now so you can change the filter without delaying the next steps. You'll see a Safe Search toggle or a content filter with levels like Off, Moderate, or Strict. Choose the level that fits your needs. Toggle it on or pick Strict to block explicit content more aggressively. Make sure to hit Save or Apply. Some services require confirmation. Also, check whether the setting applies to your account across devices or only the current device. If only local, repeat on other browsers or apps. Once set, perform a test search. Now lock the Safe Search if the service provides parental controls or account locks. This prevents others from turning it off. After locking, run a few searches with known explicit terms to verify filtering works. Results should be clean. If results still show content, clear the browser cache and cookies, disable suspect extensions, and sign out then back in to refresh account rules. If issues persist, repeat the steps on each device and ensure family or supervised accounts are properly linked to enforce the lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.